All right, so the laundry's done and I've got all my pants cleaned. But before I put them away, I want to go ahead and sort them because I like things in sets. I like things to be grouped. Now, I could sort these pants in a couple of different ways. By size, but they're all the same size. They fit me, so that doesn't make any sense. I could sort them by shape, but they're all pants. They're the same shape, so that doesn't make any sense either. Temperature, whether they're hot or cold, no, they're all pants. They're all kind of cool to the touch. Weight, well, they're neither heavy nor light. They all weigh about the same because they're the same kind of pant. Texture, they all have the same texture. They're all made of the same cloth. So the only way that I could really sort these pants out is by color. Put the brown ones there. I've got some green ones there. A pair of black pants. Another pair of brown ones. There's some, call that putty. Another pair of green pants. This one's kind of in between these two browns, so let's do this. Let's put that in that order. And I'm going to put the green ones back here. Oh, these are camouflage. These are a totally different. There's all colors in there. Another pair of green. These ones fit in that middle brown. Another pair of camouflage. Another pair of browns. Oh, I like that. I really like the way that looks. I like things in nice sets. So now when I put them away, I think I'm going to put them away in order from darkest to lightest. So I'll start with my black on the bottom because they're the darkest. And then these browns are the next darkest. I think the camouflage are going to have to go next. That color is a little bit lighter, although it's got all of them in there. And then the green. And then the light brown ones. And then the putty, kind of the off-white. Ooh, that's a nice set right there. That's a great set of pants. I love that. Dark to light, all organized by color.